back to my channel. My name is Tangela. Today we're going to talk about some of the best highlighters for medium skin tones. When you think of affordable, what brand comes to mind? Maybelline, CoverGirl, NYX drugstore brands. Some of these brands can stand up to the higher end brands such as Urban Decay and Becca when you look at it. Which I like to call the affordable glow. What I mean by affordable glow is that you won't spend $30 to achieve a nice glowing look. Show you some products that you can achieve the glow within to have your skin looking dewy, and also the highlighters that you put on top of your skin. And it's going to be, the first one I'm going to showcase is by the Maybelline brand, and the first color what I'll be showcasing is the Molten Gold. And this is a very nice on any skin tone. When I say any skin tone, I mean any skin tone. It is brown girl friendly. It is Caucasian girl friendly. It is Asian girl friendly. And that's what I like about their products. And this is how the product looks. And I'm going to swatch it because later you're going to see what I'm talking about comparing it to a higher end brand. Swatch it on my arm. Maybe I'm the only one who can see it. Hold on. It glides on like butter. The texture of it is very, very fine. This retails for $9.99. You can purchase at Ulta. You can purchase at your local beauty supply stores as well as the pharmacies. The next color that I have from them is the Molten Gold Master Chrome also. And this color is the Rose Gold, which is one of my favorites. I have it on today. This is a peachy color. Look how pretty that looks. And this looks great as well. But one of my all-time faves is Gleam by Melanie Mills. This can be used as a pore filler. What I mean as a pore filler is that if you have any fine lines, or if you have like the little indentions in your face, like little holes looking, that is your pores, and your pores are open. So you can fill those in so you can have a flawless canvas. And what I like to use, and this is something good for brides or someone to have a dewy skin finish, and it's Gleam by Melanie Mills. And you can purchase on Gleam by Melanie Mills website. The two colors that I have is Deep Gold and Bronze Gold, and I will swatch those as well. These were $12 when I purchased off of Camera Ready. That first color is Deep Gold. Look at that. That is beautiful. The next color I will swatch is Bronze Gold. And these look good on any skin tone. And they're very, very creamy. Last but not least, I'm going to swatch my Becca highlighters. These highlighters retail for $30. And I did purchase mine at Ulta. The first color that I will swatch is Opal. And this is this iridescent looking color. And I'm going to swatch that next to the Rose Gold. And these are very creamy too. But I want to show you some affordability. And that is the color on top of that. This gives you a nice glow too. The last color that I will swatch is Topaz by Becca. And I'm going to swatch that on top of the Maybelline Molten Gold. As you can see, it's not too much of a difference within a color payoff. It's just the pricing. So what are some of your favorite highlights for medium skin tone, and what do you like about them? And what are some of your dislikes? Leave me a comment below in the comment box and let's chat. Thank you for watching. See you next time, and you stay fabulous.